Let's discuss 30 multiple choice questions about data communication and computer networks. These questions are important for you. Let's practice each question and answers one by one. Which layer of the OSI model handles routing? In the OSI model, the network layer is responsible for routing packets across a network. What does TCP stand for? TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol that's used to ensure reliable oriented communication over the network. Which device connects multiple networks? The networking device that used to connect multiple networks is router. Which protocol translates domain name to IP address? The protocol that used to translate the domain name to the IP address, which is a human readable domain name to its IP address is DNS. What is the purpose of the data link layer? The purpose of the data link layer that handles framing and error detection. Which of the following is essential for data communication? For correctly data communication in the computer network, the sender, receiver, and medium all are important or needed. Without them, there is no communication. The rate at which data is transmitted in a given period is called data rate. The data rate is the rate at which the data transmitted in a given period of time. The physical path through which message travel is called the medium, which is the physical path through which the messages travel through it. Data communication is considered effective when the effective data communication when there is the delivery is accurate, timely bound, the delivery is correctly transmitted. So, D, all of the above. The noise in communication refers to noises in data communication, the computer network, unwanted disturbance. The distortion of signal is called C, noise, which refers to unwanted alteration or disturbance that can affect the clarity and integrity of a signals. Full duplex mode means the transmission of data both directions simultaneously, or it is two-way of transmission. TDM stands for time division multiplexing. Which is not guided media? Coaxial cable, fiber optic, twisted pair, radio waves. All are guided media except radio waves. It's not a guided media, it is unguided media. The device that regenerates signal is the computer network device that used to regenerate signals by removing the weak signal, which is repeater. Analog signals are contains propagation delay depend on the data propagation delay depends on the distance, the speed of the medium. Throughput means the actual data transferred, the maximum possible data rate, cost of transmission, error rate. Throughput refers to the amount of the successful data transmitted over the network in the given time that reflecting the actual data transfer rate totally. So it is the correct answer. The end of data at the data link layer is bit, frame, packet, segment. The end of data at the data link layer is frame. Protocol defines rule of communication, cable type, hardware only, encryption. A protocol in the computer network defines the rule of communication. The end of data at the transport layer is segment, bit, frame, packet. The end of data at the transport layer is segment, bit in the physical layer, frame in the data link layer, packet the network layer. Ring topology data, the data travels in the ring topology, in random, in a loop, in through a radio, in overlays. The ring topology, the data travels in a loop way. Question number 23. Broadcast transmission is sent to in one device, to all devices, specific group, one router. The broadcast way of transmission is sent to all devices. In one device there is a unicast, then the B is the correct answer. UDP is best used for file transfer, video streaming, email, authentication. The UDP is best used for video streaming because there is no authentication and time delay. So videos are transmitted in the first way. What does modulation do? Converts analog to digital, converts digital to analog, compress data, encrypts data. The modulation converts digital to analog. Which layer performs encryption? In the OSI model, the encryption performs on the present layer. A repeater removes noise, distortion, weak signal, collision. A repeater can regenerate the data with removing the weak signals. Which protocol is connection oriented? TCP, UDP, ICMP, ARP. A. TCP. Parity checking detectors all errors, only single bit errors, burst error, no errors. Parity checking detectors only single bit errors. The last question, the network layer uses what addressing? MAC, logical, port, physical. The network layer uses the logical addressing way. It's the physical layer uses the MAC addressing. Thank you. It's all about today's question. Write in the comment section how much you got out of 30. Bye bye.